What is difference between turtle and tortoise? Turtles and tortoises are both reptiles with shells, but they live in different places and have unique features. Turtles usually live in or near water, like oceans, rivers, and lakes, and have flat, streamlined shells that help them swim. Their feet are webbed or shaped like flippers. Tortoises, on the other hand, live on land in dry areas like deserts and forests. They have round, dome-shaped shells and sturdy, elephant-like legs for walking. Turtles eat a mix of plants and small animals, while tortoises mostly munch on plants. Both lay eggs, but turtles come onto land to do so, while tortoises dig nests in the ground. Feature: turtle and tortoise. Habitat of turtle is in water or significant time in water and tortoise on land. Shell shape of turtle are streamlined, lighter shell for swimming, and tortoise are dome-shaped, heavier shell for protection. Limbs of turtle are webbed feet or flippers, while of tortoise are sturdy, elephant-like legs. Diet of turtle: omnivores, plants, insects, small fish, and tortoise primarily herbivores, grasses, fruits. Lifespan of turtle is generally 20 to 40 years, some longer, and tortoise are typically 80 to 150 years. Breeding and eggs of turtle are lay eggs in sandy, muddy areas near water, and tortoise lay eggs in burrows or holes on land. Activity of turtle: more active in water, agile swimmers, and tortoise are slower, deliberate movements on land. Respiration of turtle: adapted for holding breath underwater, and tortoise are consistent air breathing, no such adaptations. Species diversity of turtle: approximately 300 species, and tortoise is around 49 species. Distribution of turtle: aquatic environments worldwide, and tortoise warm, dry regions, deserts, grasslands.